All good. This meeting is. How are you all? Who started all of yours? Yes. 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 The need is the only one online. Come now. Little more early. Yes. You're there in the last week. Yes. Any new people are there? Any new admission? Homework was there? The homework was there. Yes. What was the homework? 1.3 homework was there. 1.3 homework classwork we have completed. How many questions we have done? Study and come. Something you have to study and come now. What you have to study? Then look how you have to study and come. Good. Root 3 rational, root 2 rational. All of you studied now? Studied or not? You can answer it. Why you answer that one? Huh? We have class on every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But then, no, I didn't know there is a class. Permanent. Come. What is your name? Ishani, from which school? Podar. What Podar is here? Who is the Podar? Okay. It's full started. Then what it is going on? Now, open college you done? Stop. Done it. And homework done. Done homework. Done. Now you can do homework. You can do. You can do homework. You can do homework. This one is now one by He's not opening the book. Yeah. You have to when you are done now, 60 only done. Done, and then you not you can know. What is next process? इसी को आगे simplify कर देंगे. Process by 6 is equal to. Okay. Homework is done now. Done. Soon, 3 questions only and all 3 doubts. Okay. So let's start. I think why there is a sheet kept over there. Priyanshi there. Let's pass it from here. Sign. All of you sign. If the name is not there, write and sign. Okay. Neil, homework is done.
Yes, sir.
Where is the homework? Show me the signature. Anshul, homework done.
Yes.
Where is the homework? Show the signature. Neil, show the signature. I just know you have to get the signature from the parents after the homework. Did I tell you? Unmute and speak, Neil.
I forgot to bring the signature.
That means next time call the parents over here, okay? Or online. Anshul is still searching.
No, I didn't get the signature.
Then next time I will call the parents online, okay? Let us carefully. Then we will not see. There are people are watching whether we are doing or not. Can you see the people sitting out there? All are watching you people. So please. Chalo, okay now. Doubts first. Yes, what is your doubt?
Work exercise.
I have given one question to do now. That all of you are done?
Yes.
All of you got the answer. Those who did not get the answer, raise the hand. Your hand is both the hands. Okay, tell me what is the question was given. What is the homework? What is the question? Hey, one of you read.
Find the
Each number of 5 digits. Okay. 24, 15, and 36. So each number of 5 digits which is exactly divisible by 24, 15, and 36. It's same as the LCM, least number which is exactly divisible by its LCM. So first you find the LCM. Last class we have done this LCM, no? So LCM is equal to 360. So least number should be exactly divisible by 360. So then what is the least number of 5 digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10,000, no?
Yes,
And you divide by 360. When you do divide by 360, 360 how much? 2s are 7, 20. Okay, 0, 8, 280. One more. So how much?
7.
7. So 7 means 0. 7 6 are 42. 7 3s are 21, 25. Okay, 0, 8. Then 2. More nothing is there now. So is it 10,000 divisible by 360? Is it 10,000 divisible by 360? No. Why? If it was divisible means remainder should be 0. Remainder is not 0. So what do you do? Take 10,000 and from there what you do subtract 280. When you subtract 0, 10 minus 8 is how much? 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9720. 9720 is exactly divisible by what? Now then is that we need to find out 5 digits. This is not a 5-digit number. What do you do? Just add 1 360. 0, 8, 0. Yes or no? 10,000. So answer is 10,008. Is the least number which is exactly divisible by 24, 15. And this is the answer you got. Is there anyone got this answer? What is the answer? Who got the answer? What is the answer you got?
Sir, I got the answer.
What is the
I got
answer?
this answer.
I got 9720. And I told you.
So you did not get the answer. Who got the answer? Raise the hand. Wrong answer. What is this wrong answer? Only Priyanshi said she got down. All others said, Purna, you also said you got the answer. What is the answer you got? 99,000. 99,000. Please now, 5-digit number is 99,000. Least number is 10,000. All must have taken 99,999. She not. Nobody got the answer.
I got one. So 10,280.
280.
I instead of subtracting, I directly add 280.
If you are adding means how will it be possible? Remainder has to remove now. That's it or not. Remainder cannot be added. Remainder can adding means single look now. When you remainder adding, it will not be divisible. What you have to do? Remove the remainder, then it will be exactly divisible. When you remove, we got 9720. It is exactly divisible, but we need which digit? 5 digits. So 11360. Another way you can do what you have to add means you can do this way. 10,000 plus the difference between these two. 360 minus 280. If you take these two and that same answer will get. This way also you can do it. Okay. So please do it seriously, properly. If the answer is not getting, tell me, I will explain again. Hope all of you followed.
Yes.
Okay. Renuka followed. Sure. Yeah. Okay. Now, what is the other doubt you have? That is the doubt. Tell now which exercise. Exercise 1.1 you have to do. Do we need to do anything from exercise 1.1? Do we need to do anything from 1.2?
Yes.
Yes. What you have a doubt? A homework question. What is the homework question?
3 sets of English and mathematics are stacked in such a way that all the class score profit by
Huh?
high.
All
3 sets of English, Hindi, and mathematics books have to be stacked in such a way that all the books are scored profit-wise and the height of each stack is the same. The number of English book is 96, the number of Hindi book is 40, and the number of mathematics 36. Assuming that the books are of the same thickness, define the number of stacks of English, Hindi, and mathematics.
So there are English, Hindi, and mathematics books are there. How many English books are there? 96 books are there. And what is it? Hindi, how many books are there? 240 books are there. And maths, how many books are there? 336 books are there. Now you have to keep it. Starts means one by one you have to keep it. Now what is the condition? First condition is all of them have the same thickness. Then what is to be? Can you keep anything? All let's keep all the Hindi book here, all the English book here, all the maths. That is the way. Huh? Different stack only. Okay, Hindi is here, English here, maths here. Can you keep that way? Each stack should have the same amount of books. So that means if there are 5 books here, everywhere should be how many? 5 books. If this is 5 books, 5 should be of Hindi. You cannot mix. If there is a English books means there is 5 means all 5 should be. When you touch over here, this is English means how many other 5? Here this also English and equal. So what did you do first? Find the highest common factor. Then highest common factor means number of books in each stack. You will get. Then divide. HCF, what is HCF you got? 48. 48. If you get 48 means, so that means in one stack, every stack 48 books are there. How many stacks of English are there? 96 divided by 48. And Hindi 5. And the maths are there. What is the total number of 2 plus 5 plus 7? Okay, problem solved. Okay. Or you can add and divide by 48. Let's see if you find and add and divide. Happy. So what is other now? So 1.2 no problem. There is a problem, those are problems I am going to speak for the parents. And I will ask. I know who's talking to discussing who's being answer would not quite easily. Then I will tell you. Yeah. I looked at you also, no? I looked at you also, I looked at you. Okay, let's go at that. Those who want to feel guilty of it. I looked at everyone. I looked at you also, no? I looked at everyone. Oh, next time I not look at it. Okay. Fine. Then I first time I look at you. Well.
Yeah. It's plus 5 hours.
The 1.2 no problem. Okay. All of you close your volume. You relax now. Don't worry. Don't take tension. Okay. The first day, no. First day, after that only I will finish. You learn now, proof, root 3, rational, and all of you learn now. All of you please stand up. Those who have learned, please sit down. How to prove root 2, root 3. Don't look at these others and sit. Okay, all others are sitting and doing. You are absent. So what to do? All will be know. Thanks. Sure, no? Sir. Yes. Okay. So we will ask one by one. Sanmitra standard. Yes. The question is prove root 2 is irrational. Yes.
Let us assume to the contrary that.
Let us come this side. Because they can't see. Okay. So tell. Do you listen to whom? If he making mistake, you people raise a hand. Or if he miss some steps also. Okay.
Let us assume to the contrary that root 2 is rational.
Okay.
Root 2 is equals to a by b, where a and b are co-prime.
Now p by q and down. First you will write as root 2 is equal to, if it is a proof as root 2 rational means root 2 is equal to p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Okay. Then
A and b are co-prime.
then what you will write? If p and q have common factors, then we reduce them so that root 2 is equal to a upon b, where A and B are co-prime. Okay, Sanmitra, go back to your place. Stand up there. What is the meaning of co-prime?
When numbers have as one, have one as HCF.
If HCF of two numbers is one, that numbers are called co-prime. Okay, that is co-prime. Continue the proof.
Then we will cross multiply.
Okay, cross multiplying, what do you get? Root 2b. Root 2b equal to x. Let's continue. Namita, squaring both sides. Okay, we square both sides. What did you get? Tell. 2b square is equal to a square. We call it as condition 1. Okay, then we write that.
2 is equal to a square, so
B square equal to a.
b equal to a.
B equal to a.
Equal to
2b equal to a. Whatever he said, see, they all are raising that. That means, see, you look at the come here. Come here. See, look at them. They all are raising hand. You know why they all are raising hand? You they know, not because you made mistake. That is why they all are raising hand. Is it B equal to A? 2b equal to A? No, you are not studying.
I was studying
Another test, what test?
fine.
Biology. This one, biology. School, when was the school test? Today, how many chapters?
Sorry,
One chapter. This one, after school, when did you come back home? 2 o'clock. Now, what is the time? This you need to study 10 minutes only. After coming over here, you could have studied. See, stand up, your punishment is there. Okay. Then 3 divides. Where is 3? Therefore, 2 divides a square. What is the meaning of 2 divides a square? A square, 2 is a factor of a square, or a square is a multiple of 2. Okay. That is the theorem. Therefore, 2 divides a. Follow. Things are changing. Okay. Sit down.
Then it will be A equal to 2C where
A
C
is equal to 2c, where c is an integer, isn't it? Because a2 is a factor of a, means a can return 2 into some number. C is an integer. Okay, what do you do?
after that we square both the sides.
We square this on both sides. Okay, square both sides, then what will you get?
And we substitute it to condition.
So either square both sides and substitute, or from one. Who is talking there? Reducus standard from 1. So we substitute and you will get as 2b square is equal to 2c the whole square. Yes, can you sit down? Continue. More than say. 2b square is equal to 4c square. Okay, then.
So divides b square.
2 divide b square. No. See, they see all the hands are raised now. Some problem with the Dia. Yeah. Cancel the common factor, isn't it? B square is equal to 2c square. Okay. Understood or not? 3 cancel. Then. Therefore, 2 divides b square. Therefore, by the theorem, 2 divides b. Sit down, Dia. Okay. Then you did not tell anything now. Then stand up, continue. From 2 and 3, what did you get?
2 divides both
From 2 and 3, 2 divides both.
and
Okay, for A and B. Okay, then B. Okay, then. Oh, sensible.
A and first A
But A and B are co-prime. Sit down. Yes, continue. But A and B are co-prime. Yes.
Contradiction has arrived
That is which is a contradiction. This contradiction has arrived from where?
from the wrong assumption.
Wrong assumption. So our assumption is wrong. Hence, what is the correct thing?
Root 2 is
Root 2 is irrational. What to do, both of you? 25, 50, 100, 150 times 2, right? What to do? Sir? Huh? These steps will not be repeated. Mistakes will not be repeated. You also little mistake. So what to do? Next time punishment and leave, okay? Study and go. These are how much time we need to study, how much time we need to study? You listen. I knew this already. Okay. See, they are not without studying. So, okay, just once or twice properly, na? Okay. Next time, I will make mistake. Sit down. Okay. So, be easy, na? Difficult. Difficult. No. Once you problem is there, tell me. Purna, what? Okay, na? Okay, any other doubts are there? Acha, tell me what is it? We were doing the exercise 1.3 now. You are the how many of you got 1.3 doubt? That I will explain because we are not done the classwork completely. No, take out the classwork of 1.3. By the way, all of you know how to find the HCF of numbers?
HCF of numbers. First, we will factorize the number. After that, we will take the least common factors.
The product of least common prime factors in common prime factors. Okay. How will you find the LCM of numbers? Greatest power of all the prime factors involved in there. Okay. What is the relation between LCM and LCM? What is the relation? Don't tell me I was absent. For good. You. What is the relation between LCM and LCM? First, product of two numbers. This property is true for how many numbers? Two numbers. If more than two numbers, no. For three numbers, this property, some property is given in the textbook. So find out, okay. When three numbers, there is a relation is given. So just find out, and the next class I will ask what is it. Try to find out. It's not necessary, but still. Okay, now listen. Now, take up the book, all of you. We have done the exercise 1.3. How many questions are done? Two questions. Read the next question. 3 plus root 2. You have to prove that 3 plus root 2 is irrational. Yeah, this girl. See, this is the, if you have followed, otherwise you will repeat the class. Okay. You are not following it. You have made up the class now. So, we will all write now. So, when we start writing, let us assume to the contrary that 3 plus root 2 is, let us assume to the contrary that 3 plus root 2 is rational. 3 plus root 2 is rational. Therefore, 3 plus root 2 is equal to A by B. What are A and B? Where A and B are co-prime and B not equal to 0. 3 by plus root 2 is equal to A by B, where A and B are co-prime and B is not equal to 0. This much all of you have done? Yes. Okay, so from here we have P now. What is the irrational part over here? What is the irrational part over here? Root 2. So that means you have to keep root 2 in one side, other to the other side. So how do you change it? Root 2 is equal to A by B minus 3. Yes or no? A by B minus 3. Then we can simplify this one. How do you simplify this one? So we can take the LCM. So B, then what will you get over here? A minus 3B is equal to root. Hope all of you followed this one. Now you see this side. What is this side? Root 2. What is root 2? What is this side? It is a rational. So rational is equal to rational. That is a contradiction. So write that. What is the next step? You write since this went on next line. Since A, comma B, comma 3 are integers. A, comma B, comma 3 are integers. A minus 3B upon B is rational. is rational. This contradicts the full stop. This contradicts the fact that what? Root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is irrational. Did you write? This Purna, are you writing? This contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. You write fast, okay? Root 2 is irrational. Full stop. Next line. What do you write? This contradiction has arrived from the wrong assumption. This contradiction has arrived from the wrong assumption. Right from the wrong assumption. The final statement. What is the final statement? Hence we conclude that 3 plus root 2 is irrational. Hence we conclude that 3 plus root 2 is irrational. Okay, Namita. Okay, Purna. Renuka followed. Something here following. Dia. Followed. Yeah. Okay, next question. What is the next one? Fine, same way now. All of you do it. Should I give the step? Not required now. So do. 5 minus 2 root 3. Today we have to finish it up. 5 minus 2 root 3. The same way. Right?
What does this contradict?
Huh?
How does it, how is the assumption?
And what is the root 2? Yeah, rational. What is root 2? Irrational. What is a minus 3b upon b? Rational. Irrational is equal to rational. True. What are the rational numbers? Numbers which are not rational. So you are writing both are equal. That is called contradiction. Okay. So contradiction means the opposite. So why this contradiction has come? Because whatever we assumed is wrong. Understood or not? What is the different way you have done?
The way we wrote.
Then that is for marks, lot of marks, 4 marks. Okay, do this way, 2, 3 marks this way. Okay, if it is 4 marks, cannot do it. So then only these questions come for how many marks? 3 marks, 2 or 3 marks. That's enough. You don't. That is long way. Understood or not, dear? Okay. Now next is here. 5. What is the question? 5 minus 2 root 3. Let us assume to the contrary that 5 minus 2 root 3 is rational. Written. Therefore, 5 minus 2 root 3 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime. B is equal not equal to 0. What happens? You have to, what is the you have followed now? What is the rational part over here? Root 3. So you have to get root 3 from here. Shifting. Addition changes to addition. Subtraction. Subtraction changes to addition. Multiplication changes to. So it's all done now. So try to do it. If not getting, I'll explain now. You can. You have what you can do means you can. This minus is for what? Minus is for 2 root 3. Okay, this one. So 5 minus a upon b is equal to 2 root 3. No problem. LCM B 5b minus a is equal to 2 root 3. Still 2 also. Where this 2 will go? Down now. Therefore 5b minus a upon 2b is equal to root 3. So problem solved now. Is it the same thing you got? This 5b minus 2a upon 5b minus. What did he mistake now? What did he? Already is 5 minus 2a.
Let's get steps.
But still, what he has skipped is
5a upon b minus 5, then took the LCM a minus 5b upon b.
what did he take? What
Repeat.
What did he
5 to RHS.
Then what did he
It will
get?
become minus b.
Minus
I said minus, then it will become a upon b minus 5.
Okay.
That will, with LCM, it will become A upon B minus.
A minus 5B upon B.
upon
Okay, then
B. Then I took minus 2 there and multiplied at the entirety of origin.
how do you let you new rule you found out what? New rule you found out? You did this one. What is your mistake? Look here, you did that this way. Minus 2 root 3 is equal to A by B minus 5. Most of you must have done this way. Yes or no? A, listen. Then after that, what did you do? A minus 5B upon B is equal to minus 2 root 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
And then what did you do?
I just root 2 there.
Root 2 then.
I mean minus 2.
Minus 2 takes that side, then what like it? Root 3 is equal to how much you look at?
Yeah.
Huh?
Minus 2A.
How minus 2 is coming?
Minus multiplied with minus.
So this is multiplication, huh? multiplication will go. So it will come as what? A minus 5B upon minus 2B will come now. Yes or no? These are same thing. Why it is same thing? Because this minus you take it off, it will interchange. Okay, so both of them are same.
You can take minus common on origin.
But it's the same thing, it will come now. What do? You how will you take? You take this minus up. So what will you get? A minus 5B upon 2B. You multiply, that is minus A. Same thing, no?
A minus is minus.
Huh?
The bracket will be minus.
Minus A plus 5B upon 2B. Is it the same thing? Is it the same thing? Check now. Minus. Huh? Is it same thing? No, these are not same thing.
Yeah, that will get minus common.
Look here. A minus B. Can you write it is equal to minus B plus A? Both the same thing or not? The same thing now. 5B minus A and minus A plus 5B are same thing now. Then what is your doubt? From where minus common here to take? Oranges minus common means it is where is minus common is taken? You mean to say these all steps not required? Okay, after that. So if you are taking minus, I will tell you. If you are taking minus common means you take minus outside. What will you get here? Minus A plus 5B divided by minus 2B. That is same thing only just now you wrote now. That is equal to minus A plus 5B upon 2B. Same thing. Yes or no? Okay. Whichever the way you do, the same answer should come. Okay, it is not this way. You can write this way. Both the ways are same. Answer should come. If answer is not coming, there is some mistake. Either you made mistake or I made mistake. Okay, so the 5B minus A and minus A plus 5B are same thing. Agree? Okay, so whichever the way, no, don't cancel what you wrote. You should find out what is the difference between what I wrote on what you wrote. Okay, but as you said 2A, that is fine. Got the mistakes, no? That is I mean. So then, after this much all of you wrote, then what is the next step you will write? Since A, B, 2 and 5 are integers, 5B minus A upon 2B is that. Putna, did you write? All others are completed. You are waiting. What you are waiting for? You written or not? Tell yes or no? Then tell no. Since A, B and 2 and 5 are integers, 5B minus A upon 2B is rational. This contradicts the fact that root 3 is irrational. Which contradiction has arrived from the wrong assumption? What is the wrong assumption?
5.
Hence, what is the conclusion? 5 minus root 2 root 3 is irrational. See, half things you all did not write. Are you all writing? Written, Renuka. Still writing. First, here she is not written teacher days. Where are you written? Just a little more seriously do it now. So you are explaining everything and still not doing. Fast you do it. All others are completed. Completed all of you. Any problems? Next term. Next is the next question. Root 2 plus root 3. So let's start. Same way. Let us assume to the contrary that root 2 plus root 3 is rational. Purna, do it fast now. I am doing this one and then between you will come. You leave that one, write the next one, leave that page. Therefore, root 2 plus root 3 is equal to A by B, where A and B are what? Co-prime, and B is not equal to 0. First statements are same thing only these all things only changing. Root 2 plus root 3 is equal to A by B, where A and B are co-prime and B is not equal to 0. This much you not? Understood or not? Here, look here. Here, root 2 is also irrational, root 3 is also irrational. You cannot shift anything now. So that if you can make into one root, then things will do. What we do means we will square on both sides. If we are squaring both sides, so we write squaring both sides. What will you get squaring both sides? Root 2 plus root 3 whole square is equal to A by B the whole square. Have you followed what we have done? This side also square. That this is of what is the LHS of the form? LHS is of which form? A plus B the whole square. You remember what is A plus B the whole square? Yes. A square. So apply, simplify all of you. A square, that is root 2 square, plus B square, plus 2AB. A square upon, that is 2 plus 3 plus 2 root 6 is equal to A square upon B square. 5 plus 2 root 6. So we made it to one root. Now from here we will shift. What is the shifting you will do? 5 will go that side, 2 root 6 equal to A square upon B square minus 5. We will take the LCM, B square. A square minus 5B square. It's 2 root 6. So 2 will take to the other side. Root 6 is equal to A square minus 5B square upon 2B square. How many of you got this form? It should be. How many of you got this form? Got the same form? Any with some other form it's wrong. That's why I'm asking. Okay, those who are not done means still do it. Then the concluding steps will. You know what? Till here is written. Right. Look at the board and write. Completed? Root 6 is equal to A square minus 5B square upon 2B square. Completed. Abdul. Rumane. Hey Abdul.
Yes, sir.
Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, after that, what is the next step you write? Since A, comma B, comma 2, comma 5, whichever the numbers are there. Since A, comma B, comma 2, comma 5 are integers. Since A, comma B, comma 2, comma 5 are integers, therefore A square minus 5B square upon 2B square is rational. Written. This contradicts the fact that root 6 is irrational. This contradicts the fact that root 6 is irrational. Contradicts the fact that root 6 is irrational. This contradiction has arrived from the wrong assumption. Contradiction has arrived from the wrong assumption. Hence we conclude. And we conclude that what is the question? Root 2 plus root 3 is right. Okay, follow. All one, I am giving everything as the same step. By means, it's not necessary, you can change it also, so that you will learn. That is why I am giving the same step. Okay. Now, what is the next one? Root 5, you know how to do?
Yes.
Yes, how to do? That's like root 3, not this way. 5 divided a square, 5 divided a like that. That you can write now. Yes. All of you, that is written already, so you will do it. Okay. Now, okay. Now you will do it. Sir, you know how to do it now? Like it is just now. Root 5 you can do later. Okay. Sure. Now, homework you can do now. Only one question. Which is that question? 3 minus root 5 whole square. It's fine, no? A minus b whole square. You know what is A minus b whole square? A minus b whole square. What is change for it? What is A minus b whole square? I will give it. It's very nice. That's coming now. Wait. Next after recording of this. Identities. I'll give identity potential. To learn. Last year you studied now? Yes, sir. No identities this year. We decided no identities this year. One of you have friend now. Who is that friend? A school friend. Hello, listen. Without identities, where is that? Maths without identities. Everywhere something identity, some property will be there. No? Without that, maths is always problem solving now. If there is no identity, hello, see here. This one is clear now. How to do? Irrational numbers is clear. Okay. Now next is next exercise. It is not there in the syllabus. Rational numbers, terminating, non-terminating. But you have to remember this one. What are rational numbers? What? Terminating.
Which can be expressed in quantity.
What are rational numbers? Numbers which can express in the form of P or integers, Q not equal to 0. Rational numbers can be expressed in rational numbers can be expressed in two different ways. Listen, English, all of you are going English medium only. Any Marathi medium, Hindi medium, any medium is there. I said, listen to the statement. In the question paper, they will give the question in English only. Is any question paper has another subject language? No. So you have to read the question and identify. Rational number can be expressed in two ways. Which are the two ways? Yes, P by Q form, that is called its fractional form. And the second form is called decimal form. Okay, fractional form and decimal form. If it is in decimal form, then if a rational number is in decimal form, then terminating, always terminating. Either it is terminating or it is non-terminating recurring. Understood or not? Concept should be clear. Why I tell these to me in the exam, these are 1 mark comes. You read and write the correct answer. That is very important. If it is in decimal form, it is either terminating or non-terminating recurring. That is the next exercise which you have done in the last year also, how identifying whether it is terminating or recurring. Okay, I don't need to do that one. Now, yes. I am telling that I spoke in some other language or I said, no, this exercise is deleted. So listen now. Okay, now certain part you have to remember. Now deleted doesn't mean that it's not there. Remember, if the deleted means previous thing, these all things you have done in 9th standard. 9th standard, whatever done is not considered as deleted. That is called previous knowledge. That if a question is coming, you cannot tell it, sir, it is from deleted syllabus. 3 plus 5. What is 3 plus 5? 8. Will you write? No, sir, we are not studying the addition, so it is deleted. Can you write there? No. Why? We have studied already in the 3rd standard or 4th standard. So previous thing, whatever is done, it is not considered as deleted. Now, what is deleted over here? First exercise, Euclid's division lemma. If you use Euclid division lemma and find out means yes, it is deleted. If it is terminating the decimal means it is not deleted. Understood or not? Are you following? Okay, so be careful while whatever he studied previously, that will not consider as deleted. Whatever new things is there in this book, whatever we say deleted means it is deleted. Okay. So 3.1 and 3.2. These are which numbers? These are which numbers I asked? 31. These are which numbers? Rational numbers. Yes or no? Which are numbers? Even you get real numbers also. You know what are real numbers? What are real numbers? Yeah, union of rational and irrational numbers. Okay. Is it integer? Is it integer? Yes. 3.1 is integer? No. 3.2 is integer. They are not integers. Integers are counting numbers and it's negative and 0 only. Is it integer 3.1? Sure, no. And which type of decimal is this one? Terminating decimal. Pakka. If I put this one, now what type of decimal? Non-terminating recurring decimal. What type of number is this one? Rational number. Okay. The question is, find one irrational number between 3.1 and 3.2. Those yes.
3.110.
3.10. 110. 4 ones. 0. Enough? Is it enough? Is it enough? Yes or no? No. What is missing out there? You have to dot, dot, dot. What is the meaning of dot, dot, dot? Goes to infinity. If it is written up to here only means what is the meaning? It is a terminating number, therefore it's a rational number because it's stopped. So it's dot, dot, dot is compulsory. Are you followed? Can you give another irrational number between these two? Fast. 3.12. Over. 3.12 is irrational number. 3.12 dot dot. What to think 3.12 dot dot? Is what type of number is this one? How do you know it's a rational number? This has a specific pattern in there. Don't write 3.12 and dot. It's not a rational number. You have to show it is a pattern means you can write 112, 112. Okay, or 4 ones, 2, etc. Don't put this one digit. Or if you want to do 3.12, 122, 122, etc. It's a rational number. So you should know how to write irrational number between. All of you know, no? Yes. You may get the question, find the irrational number between. Okay now? Okay, another one. 3.4 bar and 3.5 bar. Priyanshi, find one irrational number. Find one irrational number between 3.5. Priyanshi is there or what? Stand up there. Find one irrational number. Don't know. Who knows one irrational number between 1, 2? Your hand is up or down? Down. But it's simple one. Yes, Sanmitra.
3.45. 455.
Look here, what is the meaning of 3.4 bar? 3.44444 is going on. So it cannot be 41. 41 is before that, na? Understood? Or? So what is it? 45 or 46 or 551, 52. This its meaning is what? Till where? 55. So between 3.444 and 3.555. Start with 3.4 means 4 after 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 555. Are you followed or not, Priyanshi? Can you tell one another one? Huh? What's 3.46 and so on. Is it enough? Then 46 and 466, 466, etc. Okay, sit down, sit down. Hope all of you getting. All fingers are there. She's all fingers are there now. Irrational numbers, all of you followed. Rational numbers, the Greek letter here also rational numbers. Chapter is done, properties are done. Okay, now. So, yes, you are done. Okay. So, what is your work to do means exercise. Homework exercise is done now, 1.3. Now, homework part is, don't think that it's over. Okay. Homework part is, what is it out?
The sixth one.
Sixth one, what is the sixth one?
6/2.
What is the problem? 6 upon 2 root 3 is equal to a by b. You can take now. Cross multiply. So what is it? Cross multiply 2 root 3 a is equal to 6b now. What is the irrational? Penny or some all of it. Penny. That is penny. Okay. So what is to be done here? What is irrational over here? Root 3. What is the other parts? You take it down now. So root 3 is equal to 6b upon 2a. You can cancel this also. Therefore, root 3 is equal to 3b upon a. Problem solved now? Yes or no? Done? Okay.
And this one can be simplified.
Yes, you can simplify 6 and also cancel and cross multiply. Same answer. Is it same? How to identify? Is it the same answer again? Yes. Okay, now any other doubts? Okay. Now, this one, there is in the page number 9. Have you seen page number 9? There is one previous year board question. Have you seen? So from the previous year, how many questions are there? Oh, it's going. 46. I'll not give 46. Okay. 1 to 15. 1 to 15. 50 is not there. In 1 to 15, listen carefully. Listen. What happened? What did you say? Huh? Did I finish the speaking? In 1 to 15, there are quite a lot of questions are from deleted. You don't do the deleted ones. Okay, half of them are deleted only. Hardly you will see 6 or 7 questions only you'll get. And you do that one. Understood? Tia, you have all problems solved? Yeah. Okay. And that are some of them are 1 mark questions only. 1 to 50, whichever deleted one, don't do it. Now, next is suppose if you are taking question number 4, you have a doubt whether it is from deleted portion. Don't do and come and ask me. Sir, I don't know whether it is from deleted portion or not. You come and tell me. I will tell whether it is deleted or not. Okay? Yes. Don't try to copy from somewhere. Internet, online, and all the things. Okay? No, just do it and see this one. Okay? Then later we will go through the one chapter entirely. It is not that too difficult. Okay. Next is. Namita, which chapter is going in your school? Chapter is of book is of 4th chapter? The 3rd chapter? So we'll start the 2nd chapter now. Chapter name is called polynomials. Okay. All of you can close the volume first. Okay. Done now? Polynomials. Last year also you read the polynomials now. I will come to the polynomials. Before that one, Because the last year you studied a lot of identities in the polynomial. Can you tell what identity you studied?
A plus B is the whole square is
We not studied last year. That is the study in 7th standard.
so A plus B plus the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square is 2AB plus 2B plus C.
This is a lot of identity studied now. So you have to remember this identity. Okay. So first I will give the list of identities. So write the chapter name polynomials. Polynomials. Okay. Identities. Whichever studied identities you studied, once we will write. Identities. First one. A times B plus C. You know what is A times B plus C? AB plus AC. Second one, A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Third one, A minus B the whole square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Fourth one, A plus B times A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. I hope all these four, all of you know it. Yes or no? Because from the 7th onwards you study. Just only I am for revising only a bit today. Right fast. Why you slow? Okay. Fifth one. X plus A times X plus B. This also all of you know. X square plus A plus B times X plus AB. It's also heard about or not? No? Forgot. Some of you have to write this. X square plus A plus B times X plus AB. Sixth one. A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Okay, among these ones, any of the identity have a doubt? If you have doubt, tell me. No problem now. I'm not giving that minus in between and all that. You can get it from here on. Okay, don't make mistake in identities. Now, seventh one, I'm going to the cubes. A plus B the whole cube. Who knows this group identity? Then to whom to ask? I'll write A cube plus B cube plus 3AB times A plus B. Is on all of you know now? Okay. It's second which stands an expanded form is there. Anyone remember? That also so then I will A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Is it down now? You can interchange and write also, no problem. Which is the way you learn, you learn that way. Okay. Some of you have studied A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3A. Okay now, written 1 to 4 he must be written. I will erase and write the remaining one. Eighth one. A minus B whole cube. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB times A minus B. Which is also is equal to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Is it the same thing you learned, Diya, or something else? We only studied this. Priyanshi, we studied this one. 10th, where we studied and still. And 9th only. 9th one only is doing okay. Okay. Now, actually, your polynomial chapter is done in the school. Both of them in the same school only. She talks in the school. Talks a lot. 9th. She got her one best friend is there. What's her name? She was there, na? Okay, 8th one. 9th one. AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B the whole cube minus 3AB times A plus B. Study done. There is a second form of this one. Who knows this one? Yes.
Plus B, one bracket, then another bracket would be A square minus AB plus B square.
Same thing now. Yes, A plus B times A square minus AB plus B square. Okay. Now, 10th one. A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B the whole cube plus 3AB into A minus B. This also is equal to second form factored from is A minus B times A square plus AB time over plus B square. Done? Yes, sir. With that, let me finish it up. This is what 11th one. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. What about this identity? Is equal to A plus B plus C times A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. 12th one. If A plus B plus C equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Very good. Lot of people know the identities. 13th one. A raised to 4 minus B raised to 4. This can be written as A square minus B square times A square plus B square. That first identity now. This can be further factorized as A minus B times A plus B times A square plus B square. Twice identity. Okay. This is the 13th. Last 14 also right. A minus B is equal to minus of B minus A. Who is that? Anshul. Huh? Huh? What are A minus B is equal to minus B minus A. These are identity homework already given to you all? Yes or no? These identities, quite a lot of people knows quite a lot of identities. Please learn and come. So that you know these are previous ones only. Nothing. Is there any new identity have you seen? No. Nothing. No. Also. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Bye bye. See you in the next one. Okay. Fine. That's